Do you ever get done working out and your muscles are sore and you're looking for something to help ease the tension? This right here is going to do the trick. Let me show you all the features and what makes it different from a lot of the other massage guns that I know I have personally tried out. And so far, I'm loving this one for several different reasons. But first, I wanted to say thanks to the brand for sending me this one to test out. So let's go over what makes it so special. So first off, this one comes with 5 detachable heads that you can swap out depending on what you're wanting to use it for. So this is one of them, and let me show you the others. This one, this one, this one, and this one. And very easily to attach or detach depending on which one you want. You just pick it out, just push it onto the head. To remove it, just pull it off and swap it out to whichever one you want to use. It does come with a convenient carrying case. Keep all the accessories, which it comes with 5 different heads, and then you can store all of these in its own special spot in the carrying case, and everything fits nice and compact into the case. Then you can just zip it up and carry it with you on the go. So what I really like about this one is that it has so many different adjustments and angles, and it makes it so much easier to use, especially when you're trying to get those hard to reach spots like your back or your shoulder area. And so many of the massage guns, they just come and they're angled like this. This one has 5 adjustable angles that you can adjust it to, and it's so easy to do. All you do is push the button, and then you can adjust the head, and it just clicks into place. And then to use it, you just press the button back here, like long press it till it turns on, and then short press it to change between the different levels. It has 5 different speeds. It has up to 45 pounds of amplitude pressure to help massage. So, I mean, how neat is this? Like, you can actually just get that neck area right there, or click it again to change the angle, turn it on. And like I said, you can adjust the speed. Feels so good. What I also like is this one is lightweight, so it's easy to use. This is also rechargeable, and it does come with the cord to recharge it. So it's portable, just charge it up, it's ready to go. Has about a 2-hour battery life, just for reference. But here's the other neat thing about this one. If you unlock it by twisting it, you can pull it down to adjust the length, and that's one length, and you can twist it to lock it back into place, or twist it again and pull it again, and it adjusts out even longer. Then you just twist the handle to lock it back into place, and then you can really use it to get in those hard to reach spots like your back. So let's turn it on and put it to use. That's what I love the most, is that it's so easy to use, has 5 different speed levels, adjustable length, adjustable angle, and different heads to swap out to use. So if you're looking for a good massage gun that is versatile and you can adjust to so many different ways to fit your needs, then this is definitely one I would say to go give a try.